死牛一面頸，硬頸。死牛一面頸，硬頸。
It is a Cantonese riddle phrase. The first part of the phrase literally means the head of a dead ox turns to one side. It implies that we can't turn the dead ox head to another side. Now, you may understand what the phrase actually means. Yes, the second part of phrase literally is hard neck, which means stubborn, obstinate, intractable or bull-headed. For example,
唔好死牛一面頸啦，咁樣做係對大家最好㗎。唔好死牛一面頸啦，咁樣做係對大家最好㗎。
in English, it means, don't be stubborn. What I did is the best for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.